You don't need to spend thousands on AI tools. We tested the best free alternatives that actually compete with premium versions, and some are genuinely better. Free AI tools have exploded in quality. ChatGPT Free, Canva AI, and Perplexity compete with paid competitors. For creators and freelancers, free tiers offer 80% of paid functionality without the subscription drain. We'll show you which ones actually deliver results versus which ones are just marketing hype. ChatGPT Free gives unlimited prompts with GPT-4o access. Claude has a free tier with 50 message limits, perfect for testing. Perplexity offers free real-time search answers. Canva AI generates images and designs instantly. Synthesia creates AI videos free. We tested all 5 side by side for quality. Premium makes sense for volume users. Need 100 plus API calls? Pay. Require commercial use licenses? Upgrade. Want advanced features like fine-tuning or team collaboration? Subscription justified. But for 90% of creators starting out, free tiers handle real work. Test free first, upgrade only when you hit limits. Stack free tools strategically. Use free ChatGPT for writing, Perplexity for research, Canva for design, and Synthesia for videos. This combination handles most workflows without paying a dime. Our full setup guide shows exact configurations used by successful freelancers making 5 figures monthly. Like this video if you're ditching paid AI subscriptions. Subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews and hit the notification bell so you never Perplexity for research, Canva for design, and Synthesia for videos.